Hello and welcome to the new TRP Parts Centre here in Basingstoke. We have added another fantastic TRP parts facility in the North Hampshire M3 corridor towards London. With access to over £5 million worth of stock same day, a dedicated phone team and delivery vans will mean we can offer the best same day service in this area. The stock is focused on the new TRP All-makes range Top 200. This range includes parts for Volvo, Scania, Renault, Mercedes and of course DAF, with the addition of the TRP van range, and this is all backed up by DAF's superb warranty and quality guarantees. We are also stock here the TRP workshop consumables and lubricants range as well, and this is all held on stock here at Basingstoke. This facility here in Basingstoke also boasts a new training room and meeting room to keep our customers and colleagues well connected. Investing in our people is a huge focus for us here at Morey, and this is another excellent example of our commitment and investment in our teams as we look to the future.